Hello everyone guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off OneNote run in background Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn on or turn off OneNote run in background Windows 10 PC or laptop, very easy. Firstly click on Start. Now click on Settings. After click on Privacy. Now scroll down, click on Background Apps. This is list of background apps. Now scroll down and here option OneNote for Windows 10. So if you want to turn off or disable, so select to off position, and if you want to turn on or enable, so select to on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to turn on or turn off OneNote run in background Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.